We have to understand na rejection is normal.
Okay.
Yan yung number one, acceptance.
Huwag dibdibin kung na-reject ka.
Correct. At ang rejection, hindi yan tinatambayan. Pinagdadaanan lang yan. And importante na ma-reject tayo, I think, sa buhay. Kasi it
Para
helps
matuto
us.
tayo.
Correct. Para matuto tayo, para alam na natin kung ano yung hindi natin dapat gawin para hindi na tayo ma-reject. But kahit na hindi yan sa business, marireject at marireject ka talaga. For example, nagpara ka ng jeep, puno
Hindi ka
na. Nalagpasan
Even
ka.
sa sales, iba, walang bibili. Parang
Correct.
ganun.
Dahil hindi yun yung at that time, akma para sa kanila. But it doesn't mean na walang ibang tao na pwedeng bumili sa'yo. Or hindi ka i-accept ng ibang tao. And it also has to do with statistics, diba? Na for every 10 people that you talk to, pwedeng hindi lahat mag-yes yun. Pero pwedeng isa doon mag-say yes to you. So, it's all about the numbers. You keep on going. And rejection is normal. Sabi nga nila, we eat rejection for breakfast. And that's what makes us stronger. Same with feedback, diba? We eat feedback for breakfast. So, depende pa rin yan ulit sa mindset mo, sa attitude mo, on how you accept these things. If you see it as a learning opportunity, kung paano ka mag-improve, then that's good. But if you see it as something na ay, bababa yung tingin mo sa sarili mo, magda-doubt ka na, that's when it becomes na negative yung rejection.
Dangerous.